guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. So yesterday we didn't really move around that much. We closed now down 0.27%, and then this morning we're up 0.21%. So nothing really crazy, you guys. The volume, we're at 103,000. We want to see that at least 150,000 before 9:30 or wherever the market opens for you guys, which will be here shortly. So that shouldn't be really an issue. Let's go into where we're at currently, but let me first go over our support and resistance lines for our new viewers, and then we'll get into that in just a second, okay? So this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see that we got rejected in this area, and this area. Ultimately, we created a breakout. What used to work as resistance will work as support on the opposite side. So you can see once we broke past that, we came down and started bouncing off these levels. We came back underneath. It was working as resistance and pushed us all the way back down to our major support line down here. You can see that we bounced from here, over here, and over here, and over here. So ultimately about 4 or 5 times we bounced from this lower level, you guys. These are very heavily tested areas. We got to respect these lines, you guys. But other than that, let's get into where we're at currently. You can see that we've just been pumping and pumping, and we created this breakout over here with this minor resistance. You can see over here we had resistance back here and support. So now that we have created this breakout, we're creating this higher low. I don't really see with any issues with the getting in, you guys. The RSI looks fine. The trend line, we're actually sitting above that trend line, so we are still in this upward trend, you guys. But other than that, and we're above this resistance that we just broke. So the next level of major resistance is all the way back up here at the 55, okay? So you can see this parabolic move, this push all the way down. I'm sure that we can have the same thing happen of this just parabolic, maybe not a parabolic, but we can have this smooth retracement back up to where we were currently at the $55 area, you guys. If you were to get in for a swing trade or a long-term trade, obviously you're going to want to have your stop loss below this major support line or resistance line, and that being at the $40 area or the $39 area. Anywhere between those would be good, ideal stop losses. And your entry, like I said, wouldn't be an issue if you were to get in right now. If you are day trading or scalp trading, obviously you're going to want to break down to a smaller time frame and maybe get in around the 42, 47 area if we pull down to that area, or the well, actually it's at 43.65 right now. So this is it's already kind of there, being in the pre-market. So like I said, if you were to get in right now, it wouldn't really be an issue as long as you have your mental stop loss or a stop loss set in mind. Let's go over the targets real quick. So your first target, if you're day trading, it's probably going to be around the 46, 43 area. If you're swing trading and holding more long term, it's going to be obviously a lot higher. So it'll probably be back up here at the 55, 46 area, you guys. So I just wanted to make this very short and sweet. Like always, if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.